Introducing Fuel Track Ledger. With built-in fuel monitoring helping you measure and manage fuel usage efficiently. Developed by JB Matrix Technology Private Limited. Are rising fuel costs hurting your business? Are you struggling to keep track of how much fuel is being used by your employees? Welcome, Vehicle Tracking Software. Your go-to solution for tracking your vehicle's journeys and maintaining records. Feature list. Vehicle Tracking App. Vehicle Tracking Admin Panel. How it works. Login. The employee or vehicle owner logs into the app with their credentials and marks themselves as online. Select project. After logging in, they select the assigned project from the list of available projects. Start trip. The employee starts the trip by clicking on the Start Trip button. Enter private travel kilometers. If applicable, they first input the private travel kilometers from the previous trip to account for personal use. Login. The employee then enters the current meter reading of the vehicle before beginning the new trip. Enter assigned work. The employee provides details about the assigned work they are doing as part of the project. Upload meter reading snapshot. A photo of the meter reading is taken and uploaded as proof of the current vehicle reading. Submit. After all the details are entered, the employee clicks Submit to log the information. Admin review. The submitted data is sent to the admin for an initial review, but only managers in the hierarchy can approve or reject it. Managerial hierarchy review. The data advances through approval levels, but if rejected at any stage, it is returned for correction before proceeding. Final approval. Once the top-level manager approves the data, it is finalized. Payout generation. After final approval, the system generates the payout based on the approved trip data. User role segmentation. Company employees track their trips in company vehicles, assign trips to specific projects, and record personal usage kilometers. Personal vehicle owners track usage and manage their own vehicle's fuel and travel data. Vehicle details entry. Employees can enter vehicle information, including make, model, and meter readings, before and after each trip. Project assignment and tracking. Employees are assigned to various projects, and their travel can be linked to specific assignments, offering project-wise travel and fuel cost tracking. Online-offline location authentication. The app supports both online and offline modes to verify the employee's current location during travel, ensuring authenticity even in areas with limited connectivity. Photographic proof of meter readings. Employees upload photos of the vehicle's odometer as a form of verification for both starting and ending kilometers. Manual entry. Employees can manually input details of fuel purchases, allowing for a comprehensive fuel cost overview. Trip and meter reading log. Employees input personal use kilometers before starting a trip, and then log the current meter reading along with a photo of the meter upon completion. This ensures transparency and accuracy in travel reporting. Travel history. Tracks and stores all past trips, including vehicle details, project assignments, start and end times, and routes taken. Company fuel. Allows employees to enter details of fuel purchases made during company trips, including date, time, price, and photographic proof of meter readings. Report. Project-based reporting. Provides insights into travel and fuel expenses for specific projects, making it easier to allocate costs to the right assignments. Customizable filters. Users can customize report generation by selecting date range and projects. Exportable formats. Allows users to export reports in PDF formats for sharing, accounting, or auditing purposes. Admin feature list. Dashboard feature list. Dashboard feature list. The dashboard gives an overview of key metrics and manage daily operations related to employees, trips, and approval processes. Total employees count displays the total number of employees registered in the system. This helps in tracking and managing personnel involved in vehicle usage. Total ongoing trips count shows the total number of trips currently in progress. This provides a quick overview of active vehicle usage and helps in monitoring real-time activities. Total approvals pending count indicates the number of requests or actions awaiting admin approval. This could include trip requests, fuel purchases, or other administrative approvals. Dashboard filtering features. This filtering capability helps admins quickly access and manage specific data related to projects, users, and vehicles, making it easier to oversee and coordinate operations. Filter by project. Project name allows you to view vehicles and trips associated with specific projects. Filter by user type. User type lets you filter data based on user categories such as company employees or individual users. Data displayed. Name shows the name of the vehicle owner or driver. Vehicle type indicates the type of vehicle, example sedan, truck. Vehicle No displays the vehicle registration number. Ownership provides information on whether the vehicle is company-owned or privately owned. Ongoing shows the current status of the vehicle or trip, example in progress, completed. Status displays the overall status of the vehicle, such as active, under maintenance, or inactive. User type management allows admin for managing user types, including adding, viewing, editing, and deleting roles and setting menu privileges. Each user type can log in individually and access data according to their assigned permissions, ensuring role-based access and data visibility. Hierarchy control. The hierarchy feature enables managing the organizational structure within the system, allowing admins to define roles and reporting lines. The Change Hierarchy option uses a drag-and-drop interface to easily update roles, adjust reporting lines, or modify organizational levels as needed. Vehicle Master. The Vehicle Master feature allows admins to add, view, edit, and delete vehicles, ensuring an organized and up-to-date vehicle database for effective management. Send notification. The notification feature allows admins to send alerts to a specific employee within a designated project group and project name, ensuring targeted communication. Fuel Master. Fuel Master allows admins to manage fuel records by adding, viewing, editing, and deleting fuel entries. It tracks fuel records with details including project name, vehicle type, fuel type, state, rates per kilometer, commence, creation date, and available actions for editing or deleting entries. Project Management. Project Master allows for managing projects by adding, viewing, editing, and deleting them. It includes details such as project code, name, address, state, district, city, PIN code, group, and payout generated by, ensuring comprehensive project management. Add Project allows admins or privileged users to create a new project. Payout generated by specifies the user type authorized to generate payouts for the project. Payout reverted by defines the user type allowed to revert generated payouts. Payout closed by identifies the user type permitted to close generated payouts. View Trip Log. Project-wise trip log details displays project information including code, name, address, state, district, city, and PIN code, with options to view accepted and rejected trips, and includes search functionality to help you to find your desired data. Employee management. Employee management allows for adding, viewing, editing, and deleting employee records. Assign project to employee. View employee list. Displays employee details including designation, personal details, address, bank details, company, and assigned project. Search. Find specific employee. Assign vehicle to employee. This feature helps in managing vehicle allocations efficiently. Assign vehicle to employee. Assign vehicle. Allocate specific vehicles to employees. View employee list. Display employee details and their assigned vehicles. Manage managers. Enables adding, viewing, editing, and deleting manager records of essential details such as role, name, phone number, email, employee code, designation, address, and an optional image for streamlined oversight and administration. Assign project to manager. This feature helps in managing and assigning projects to managers effectively. Manager list. View managers' details, including designation, personal details, address, and assigned projects. Assign project. Allocate specific projects to managers. Search, find managers easily. View fuel by summary. View fuel by summary provides a detailed overview of an employee's fuel purchases, showing total liters bought and the amount spent for a selected month and year. Company master. Company master allows for adding, viewing, editing, and deleting company records for efficient management. Project group management. Project group management enables adding, viewing, editing, and deleting project groups for effective organization. Manual entry. If an employee does not use the app and requests the admin to enter trip details manually, the manual entry feature allows the admin to add manual trip by inputting the required trip information directly into the system. Settings. Settings allows configuration of scheduled times for ending trips and sending trip notifications. End trip cron time. Admin sets the time to automatically stop all ongoing projects by checking active projects in the backend service. Notify trip cron time. Admin sets the time to notify employees about ongoing trips, ensuring they are reminded to complete them. Manual entry. If an employee does not use the app and requests the admin to enter trip details manually, the manual entry feature allows the admin to add manual trip by inputting the required trip information directly into the system. Settings. Settings allows configuration of scheduled times for ending trips and sending trip notifications if the user does not end the trip. End trip cron time. Admin sets the time to automatically stop all ongoing projects by checking active projects in the backend service. Notify trip cron time. Admin sets the time to notify employees about ongoing trips, ensuring they are reminded to complete them. Approval rejection. This feature is intended for managers to handle approvals and rejections. Admins cannot access this page directly but can view it by logging into different manager profiles. Summarize it. Approval rejection procedure. Managers manage their assigned projects with different hierarchy levels for performing specific functions. They handle pending and rejected trips, approve or reject them. Approved trips move up for further approval, and when they reach the payout level, managers can select Approve and Ready for Payout to move them to the Generate Payout section. Generate Revert Payout. This feature is for managers to manage payouts and admins cannot access it directly. However, admins can view it by logging into different manager profiles. Generate Revert Payout Procedure. Assign Project List. Managers view a list of projects assigned to them. Generate payout. Managers with the appropriate privileges can generate payouts by selecting a month and year, reviewing trips, and clicking the Generate Payout button. Trips are then moved to the Reverted Payout section. Revert Payout. Managers can also revert payouts, which moves trips back to the Generate Payout section. Close Payout. Managers view generated payout details grouped by daytime and can close trips by confirming via Close button. Assign Project List. Managers view a list of their assigned projects. View Details. Clicking this button redirects managers to a page with generated payout details grouped by date time. Close button. Managers can close trips by clicking the Close button with a confirmation prompt to finalize the action. Report. The report feature provides comprehensive tools for generating and managing various types of reports within the system, and it is available in PDF format. Here's a breakdown. Report projects. Generate report by their project code and name for reporting purposes. Employee-wise logbook. This functionality allows you to produce detailed logs and reports for employees, filtered by project group, project name, and specific time periods. Project-wise summary. Generates a report based on the selected project group, project name, quarter, and year to provide a detailed summary of project performance. Payment requisition summary. Displays requisitions based on company, project, vehicle type, ownership, month, and year, including payout date and time. Employee summary report. Summarize employee performance and metrics for selected projects within a project group, specifying the quarter and financial year. Transaction log report. Provides a detailed log of transactions based on project group, specific project, month, and year. With our vehicle tracking software, you'll not only secure your fuel spend but also maximize savings across your fleet. Contact us to schedule a demo.